welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review, and today I am so excited because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Okay, I have a lot. I'm just going to randomly give away different stuff to one lucky winner. Okay, I got different stuff like these masks. Stuff that'll be free giveaways. This is Bobbi like pins. Who don't need Bobbi pins? Okay, and it's for the free. It's for the free, honey. Lashes. And I also have this nice little face roller thing. Little makeup. Okay, so again, to enter, just be sure to definitely subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment, okay? And share my video with others. And I definitely appreciate that. Alright, the wig I'm reviewing today is a new wig by Bobbi Boss. Okay. Here she go. And the name of this wig is Colette. I don't know if I'm saying that exactly right, but yeah, there it goes. And I got it in a TT4/F ABLD. It's a blondish looking color. Alright. It says it's a deep lace part, 4.5 inch. Okay, ear to ear lace. Premium synthetic hair. And it also has the baby hairs with baby hairs on it. Okay, and it's heat is heat safe. Also. Okay. Let's open her up. Here is the picture again. And here is a picture of the back. And it says it's seamless blending, the HD lace, okay, transparent right here. Alright. And with this one, I'm just going to definitely do a show and tell. I'm not trimming no lace today, honey. I'm just popping her on because I got quite a bit of wigs to do today. I'm going to be very busy because I want to get them done because I am so busy with so many different things. To even come at y'all and do these reviews, you know, I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm spending my money to do it, you know, my own money to do these reviews. You know, I love wigs. So is this something I'm doing because I really like wigs, and also to help out my subscribers to see different wigs, you know. And hopefully I'll get enough subscribers to start monetizing. That would be very nice. Okay, here is the wig. Alright. Beautiful color. The parting. 4.5 inch. Okay. Let's go on to the cap construction. Alright. 2 combs in the front. 1 comb in the back, and it has the adjustable straps. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and pop her on. And we will see how this baby is going to be looking on my head. Okay, here is this unit straight out the pack. Okay. And it is beautiful. Okay. I'm checking in on the shedding. Okay. Yeah, it sheds. It sheds quite a bit. Okay. It's like hair is just dropping all down in my lap. It's shedding quite a bit. Yeah, it's steady shedding. Alright. So that is a con right off the bat. Okay, it's not too long at all. Alright, this is a cutie. And the part is on the left side. which I am all about the right side part because I'm used to it. It feels a little weird to me to have it on this side. But I definitely can manage, okay? So, here she go. Here she go. Okay, the 360. Here it is from the side. The back. And the other side. And all back to the front. Very, very cute style. Yes. It's like a medium length. It's not too short. And it's not super duper long. Look at those cute bangs. What is... let me get my mirror so I can see exactly what's going on here. Yeah, that's cute. Honey, this is a gorgeous unit. Alright, so here's the parting. I'm not going to try to come in on y'all because as soon as I come in it gets blurry. Okay, so here's the lace. Alright, a gorgeous color. The texture is like a light yaki texture. Okay, a very light yaki texture to it. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review on this gorgeous unit. Please drop me a comment, okay? Also, be sure to subscribe, like, and share, all right? You do all those, you're automatically entered into the giveaway, okay? So just do those things, and I totally appreciate it. All right. And I will definitely be listing, I will leave more information in the description box in regards to the giveaway. Yes. I will leave some information in there about the rules and all this and that and when I will be announcing the winner. So, yes, thank you all so much for watching. Have a very blessed day. Bye-bye.